Brikokraft is a project aimed at redefining plastic bottles for anyone who wishes to build a better tomorrow. Growing up, I was always told that recycling plastics was the way to save the planet from climate change. The reality is that 15 years later, Richard Wiles from the Center for Climate Integrity confirms the sad truth. Companies have lied. 30 years of environmental damage have passed. Therefore, the time for preventing measures and awareness has long since passed. We need a deployable solution that can begin to combat the urgent environmental crisis our planet faces. Brikokraft is a technology-based social enterprise that offers a responsible way to use plastic bottles to create affordable housing. The project is based on a product that can be manually manufactured or produced on an industrial scale, all with the added benefit of being competitively priced compared to alternatives in the market and providing thermal insulation. The aim is to generate economic, environmental, and social value in communities with low levels of development. Given that 9% of the country lives with a lack of quality and space in housing, there are 32 state governments that could be interested in the project. Additionally, there are approximately 4,000 companies in the construction sector that could also be stakeholders.
The business model of the project is based on licensing and/or technology transference. If the brick is licensed to a cement company, for example, that wishes to commercially exploit the product, a percentage of royalties would be negotiated. Considering, for example, that an average of 4,000 bricks will be used to build a 100 square meter house, as a cost-effective product, the brick can be manufactured at 7.5 Mexican pesos and sold at 10 Mexican pesos. Estimating a universe of 1.8 million people with a lack of decent housing in Mexico and assuming an average of 4 people in each house, it can be estimated that 590 million Mexican pesos can be obtained annually over 10 years. This scenario applies if a royalty percentage of 5% for the patent royalty is set. Currently, we have 3 products: an ecobrick, a brick making machine, and the third is a brick laying machine. These 3 technologies are already patented and ready for licensing. With the aim of taking the brick to the technology readiness level of 7, the team engaged in discussions with a community of interest and plans to work on a project to enhance the principal's office of a high school. A course is proposed to train the students of this high school and equip them with the tools to build a better future. Although there are already other hollow bricks on the market, our main differentiator is the ability to incorporate bottles entirely. This not only reduces costs and reuses plastic, but also the channels of air created by connecting the multiple bricks provide free thermal insulation and can be used for electrical installations.
If supported by the HULT Prize, the first step is to bring the technology to a TRL9. How will we do this? Well, $10,000 will be dedicated to advancing to TRL6, while $11,000 will be dedicated to reaching TRL7. Considering that TRL levels 8 and 9 are the most challenging to achieve, $200,000 will be allocated to get all the products up to level 9. The rest of the budget will go toward legally establish the startup, designing new products, and building a laboratory for rapid prototyping and minimum viable products. We are a multidisciplinary team of engineers focused on problem solving and achieving systemic change. We have a business digital transformation engineering specialized in data analyst. Additionally, we have an engineering in physics specialized in data science. Finally, we have a chemical engineering specialized in product design and patent writing. With your support, we can accelerate the technology maturity process and scale the international reach of our project. We appreciate your time and would love to provide you with more details about our prototypes.